Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to reconnect your PS5 controller back up to your PlayStation. So maybe you connected this to your phone at some point in time, now it's not connected to your PlayStation. So the easiest way to reconnect it simply is a USB-C cable. And then as soon as you plug this in, press the PlayStation button, it should be reconnected back to the PlayStation. There's also another way that we can do this wirelessly. We don't have to use the PlayStation cable that came with the console. Now you can see it's still trying to reconnect here and it's charging. We just have to keep pressing the PlayStation button and it should reconnect. So we can choose a profile now. Now the other way that you can reconnect it is by using another controller or most times your TV remote. So if you have HDMI CAC enabled, most TVs have this by default. You can use your TV remote to control your PlayStation. So we can go up to settings right here. And then we want to find accessories. Go to this. Then we can go to where it says Bluetooth accessories. And now we have to put our controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So when your controller is turned off, we can hold down the share button and the PlayStation button. And if you don't know how to turn off your controller, you can just hold down the PlayStation button here for like 13 seconds. It will manually turn it off. So press the share button and the PlayStation button, and it should show up under this list. But it looks like I already have it connected up on top, so it's not going to show up on the bottom. Then just scroll on down to under accessories found, and you should be able to just select it and then pair your new controller with your PlayStation once again. So very simple. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.